Hello and welcome to another episode of Sunrise Gardens. Alright, we're back here on the back porch. I forgot to show you, during the spring a bird came and made a nest up here on one of the shelving units of my back porch. So I left him some food and water, and she gave birth to two doves, and they flew away, and then she never came back. She laid these 2 eggs, and it's been 3-4 weeks now. She hasn't come back. I just figured I'd leave it alone, you know, but still, it's pretty neat. Cool. This is the story of one man, one saw, and one bush. Man wins. Well, that just about does it for today, so thanks again for joining me for another episode of Sunrise Gardens. See you next time.